Alright, welcome back. Just spent the last couple of days cleaning a few bits. Just working out what I need to transfer to the other engine. And yeah, just generally sorting out, getting ready to drop it in. A few bits, starter motor, alternator, that was already clean. Cleaned up the distributor a bit. Thermostat housing, I was hoping that would come up a bit better. It's not bad. Pulley, fuel pump, I'll come back to that in a minute. That's the carb, that's the twin choke. I've got the throttle linkage for it now. Painted all that, cleaned that and painted it up. Yeah, whatever that is, I can't remember what that's called. Yeah. And there's the old oily beast. And the new one. Well, new. Painted. And this is the clutches. So this is the clutch that was on here. This is, it's not bad. You know, there's no real problem, bit of a heat spot there, but otherwise there was nothing wrong with this clutch. But geez, look how puny it is compared to the 215. But it's the splines in the middle that's a problem. Well, it's not really a problem, it's just I haven't got the money for a 5-speed box or a you can get a bigger version of this. I think they're on the Cortinas with the 20mm splines and the outer diameter of that one. But I'm just going to stick this on for now and just be prepared for a clutch job in the future. Yes, come in. That's what we need. There, have a morning. There. I'll rest this on the cross member to just slide it in. Right, so here we are, all back together. Got choke cable connected, throttle cable all hooked up, all HT leads on. Just got to tighten up the cam cover and yeah, got some decent oil to go in it. Fresh E5 petrol, coolant, battery and timing light to go when we get to that stage. So yeah, very exciting. I can't wait. This is, yeah, let's just get this thing tightened up. Yeah. Just going to check the sump plug is nice and tight. I don't remember tightening that up. There we are. That's the sump done. Sump plug done. Let's put some oil in it. Oh, let's change the filter first. Shouldn't be that tight, surely. Never. Jesus Christ. Oh, wow. is that so fucking tight? I did it up by hand, it's not even been run. And put it on to keep the shit out. Fucking hell. Christ alive. Let's get a rag. We're getting dirty, oily. Come on. Oh, I fucking knew it. Oh, great. Yeah. Fucking oil everywhere. Here we go. I should do. Put 3 litres in and then see where we're at. Lovely. I got lazy with the other engine and I probably put just any old oil in just to top it up. Put in like 530 and that just blows past the seals, all the gaskets. It needs thicker oil than that. This is 2050, so that's what you're supposed to have. Oh, yeah. How much is left? I think that'll do for now. Wait. Put some fresh juice in whilst we're waiting for that to settle a bit. Go forward. Toe. Yeah, 20 quid in here, not even. Well, it's 2/3 full. Rip off. Not getting the obligatory. I used to have one of those, mate. When you're trying to put petrol in, which I don't mind. It's pretty cool. People have only got nice things to say, really. surprisingly. Oh, that'll do. There we are. Right, what next? Battery. Put the battery on. Clear some of this. Need that. Whoa! Easy, eh? Let's sit over here instead. There you go, that's better. I'll get that in there. Let's get that in. Come on. We're getting close now, aren't we? Let's see what the dipstick's saying. Oh, maximum. Perfect. Look at that. Slightly over, but it hasn't gone through the filter yet. That'll do nicely. Right. Oh, Jesus, right. I'm actually nervous. I'm going to disconnect the coil. Disconnect the fuel pipe. There. Oh, you penis. It is a flathead, it's just I bought the biggest one. Not the biggest one. This one. I feel like I'm forgetting stuff, but I don't think so. Just tighten up a bit as well. No, that's fine. What am I doing? Oh yeah. Oh, Jesus. Hey Caleb.
Hi.
You okay?
Yeah.
What?
Those two.
What?
Tell me all this thing about my rich house and they're like, jump off his house.
Oh. I'm about to start this up. You want to stick around here?
Okay.
Yeah? Yes. Right. What's the best place to put this? Trying to turn it over without it actually starting, so it builds up oil pressure. And do you want to just hold this pipe here and just yeah, hold it a bit more like that, so it goes in and doesn't spill out. Yeah. Okay. No, he's busy. He's just helping me with something. Whoa, wipers. I know, he's just bossing you around. Alright, let's just... Getting fuel in there? No? Should be. Sounds a bit... Hold it again. Tell me if it starts spraying. Anything? Okay, pretty good. Oop, timing's a little bit off. Oh, she's ticking over. Alright. Got no coolant in yet. I'm going to start introducing that now. Watch the little puffs of steam on the manifold. That'll tell you that your head gasket's not quite settled, especially when you turn it off. I have a vacuum leak. I don't know, they're a bit hissy, aren't they? Bit happier now, isn't it? That seems... This hose here is not happy. I tried turning this down so the outlet's at the bottom, but it's really tight. I just don't want to break it. Managed to get the hose round here, but this hose is about at it. Don't know if that'll go any tighter or not, that Jubilee. Let's have a quick look at the timing. Plug this vacuum with a bigger bolt. RPM's just shy of 1,000. Let me just mark up this pulley. Oh, let's rotate this a smidge. Come on. This bloody mark's gone. Come on. Couldn't have stopped it at a more awkward spot, miles away. Come on. Let's get in a better good position. What is it? Not there. Let's mark that up. Yeah, we'll go for there-ish. There's TDC. And then that second one. There you go. Right, I'll fire it up. So the lower one is top dead center, and we want to be about where that thicker mark is. It's not far off because it wouldn't start up like that otherwise. Yeah, see? I don't know if, you can't see, can you? Yeah. Well, the camera's being weird, but you see how it's... Annoyingly, that Jubilee clip is right where, oh, you can see it there, look. It's in between the two, isn't it? So it just wants to go in a little bit more retard. Don't go full retard. Or dance. Don't know what that did. Don't know if it went the wrong way or not. Yeah, that's... Hey! I wonder if the revs dip when I flip the throttle now. Let's try flipping it. See if it's... Let's nip that up. I'd say that's a little bit... take that down to 900 or whatever it is. They don't like a high idle. Just need to chug along, don't they? The old boat anchors. That'll do. I'm not 100% sure if the temperature gauge is working. I think it is. Yeah, that'll do. So yeah, normally if you're having trouble with the head gasket, if you turn it off, you might get like a bit of steam off the manifold, and that's just water like escaping into the cylinder and then out the port. That's my past experience anyway. My old 2.8. So I was having trouble with this left bank, right bank, whatever you want to call it. This side here, every time you turned it off, it'd have a little pss. Took the cover off, tightened it up. It had a new head gasket. I don't know. They're more trouble than they're worth. You'd have more fun with this because it's just, you can abuse this to, no end. Yeah. Let's have a look underneath down there. Some gaskets holding up all right. New water leak down there. Radiator's all right now. That pipe's all right now. Just about. Need to get a better clip for that. I still feel like shit. So yeah, I started this. The engine came out Sunday. I was working an hour each evening, cleaning up the fuel pump, thermostat housing, putting a new seal in that. What else? So yeah, cleaning up the pulley and that. And the engine went in on Wednesday because I got rained off at work. Started at lunchtime and it was in by 3. And pretty much as you see it now, it was, apart from the rocker cover gasket. It's Thursday now. I just literally finished work and picked up the oil. Yeah, and yeah, it's as you see it. I'm well happy. Right. Well, next segment will be the bonnet on and me actually driving it. Yes, can't wait. Genuinely proper excited now. Sense of relief washing over me. Yeah.